Washed my car. I just washed my car. Literally 30 minutes before I came here, I just washed my car.
Alright guys, we started working on this. How long ago did you guys start working on it?
About 5 minutes ago.
About 5 minutes ago.
Started,
I'm a little
plugging.
late because I'm dumb. And I was eating some ramen because I was hungry.
Oh, I have the shit in my truck for you.
This is Tim. He's someone that I work with. This is Reinhardt over there. How you doing, Reinhardt?
Hashtag Trinidad, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, he's from Trinidad. So
Yeah.
it's gonna be hard for you guys to understand him as some.
Watch out for people.
This is Braden.
I'm just trying to eat my Wendy's.
Where's Emerson, man? Where's E9?
He's getting ready to push it.
I don't know what E9 is doing, but he's over there working. Alright, right now we're figuring out how to put I don't know, I'm not really big on cars, guys, not gonna lie. That's more BJ and Jonathan. I'm just kinda here. Here, how would you get a view? Alright, Jonathan, go ahead and give me some specs on your car, you know, the year, the make, model, you know, just tell me some stuff, man.
These light bulbs, 2010.
Okay.
These rims, 2010.
Okay.
These muscle stripes right here, 2018. I mean, 17, my bad. These scratches, freshly out of 2017. Take a look inside.
It's a 2010 Ford Mustang, really, is all we gotta say.
We got Mustang written all over. Ow.
Yeah, leather seats, it's automatic.
Convertible.
Alright, let's check out what we got back here. This is what we gotta check out.
So this car originally was single tipped, you know, stock. I dual exhausted, cat off, 40 series, Flowmasters.
And then that's his car. And I'll explain why that we don't talk about my car, because this is my old reliable. Oh yeah, we gotta show him the interesting.
I just washed my car. I just washed my car. Literally 30 minutes before I came here, I just washed my car. I'm so mad right now.
Oh dude, let's ball up, dude.
Bro, I have 2 basketballs. Who's trying to ball? Let's do it.
Right, so what kind of sub you got?
We got a CVR kicker, 15-inch. Box is breaking out. Trying to get a new sub coming in soon. Me too. I got a 1500 amp here from American Bass. I also got a, I don't even know, is this the Pioneer one? Yeah, I got a 900 Pioneer for the speakers because balls out.
All right, hey, this is Jacob. He's also another guy we work with. How you doing, buddy?
Bro, I just washed my car 30 minutes ago and that already happened. I'm so mad. This always happens.
Alright, so this is my boy Jack right here. He's got something nice going on right over here. Go ahead, tell me some things about this car.
It's cool.
Jack.
It's a cool
It's
car.
cool as hell, yeah.
And
it's low as hell, dude.
It's
like, look, I'm gonna put it up to my head. I'm gonna show you. I can't even, like, I can jump over this.
Shit, that's a little go-kart.
Yeah, it is, but it's probably quick, bro. Look at this. Look at this.
Probably beat mine.
Probably could, bro. Honestly, I want to see you and John race.
Me and John?
Yeah.
Bet. Anytime. Hey, John. John. I'm calling you out for a race. Anytime.
But yeah, so it's I don't know. But yeah, this is Jack's car. That's Jacob's car right over there.
Want to see the engine in this?
Yeah, let's pop the hood on this, dude. Let's pop everyone's hood, bro. Little car meet, dude. Ooh.
You gotta push it to the side.
You saw it? Try it. Oh, wow, you told me the wrong side.
It's pretty nice,
Get
bro.
that V8, dude.
V8, bro.
Calling anyone out.
Calling anyone
Who
else,
wants to run it?
bro. Yeah, and then you got that's Jack's dad's car, and then over there, my car's on the left, Braden's on the right, and you got John's, and then Tim, and I don't know where E9 went.
I don't have anything going for me. But
And then okay, we need to explain what's over here. Braden, come with me and come explain this with me. All right, so as you can tell, a familiar thing with all of us is we work at My Green Wells. That's for those of you who don't live around, it's a local amusement park in Cape Coral. There's like rides and stuff around here. And this is the work truck that we use to do trash. Now let's just take a look around the exterior. Yeah. Yeah.
as you can see, we have our Elite Bumper 9000.
Oh yeah, Elite Bumper.
Old trusty.
No. Yeah, and there's scratches everywhere. Isn't that the spare tire?
Probably. Scratches, dents.
What happened here? This is new.
Probably Arthur.
The antenna's out. The windshield's cracked. Speaking of windshields, the back one, gone. Gone. It's just donezo. There's the actual tire.
You don't need the key in the ignition half the time.
Yeah, you don't. Yeah, exactly. You can just honestly.
We got our good old engineering with our American flag taped down.
We got the dice in the mirror.
Dice.
The seats that look like somebody got hungry. Got our garbage bags. We need them, you know. Caution tape just in case something gets a little frisky. All right, they're working on the car over there, so I'm gonna wait till we figure out what's going on, and I'll have you guys back. All right, Tim's going to work here. John, how you feeling right now, dude? You pretty excited?
Wait, doesn't that go in front of that?
Yeah. I just want to make sure
If it.
how it went. I have to grab an extension.
Wait, so he has to take this off, and then he puts this
That on, and
on
then
here?
back
Oh,
on
okay.
that, and then that goes on that.
I see. Okay, so basically what's going on right now is that this is the spacer, right? Yep. This is the throttle body spacer right here. And we have to take this piece off, and then this is gonna go on behind it, and then we're gonna re-put it back on, and that's when we put the intake on, and this is where the filter is. Well, that's nice, because like the filter's not just hanging, it's like sitting, you know? It's like most cars when they have the intake, it's just kind of like, the
There.
filter's just kind of chilling, but that one actually has like a little like slot for it. We're putting the spacer on now. Kind of just... Didn't you get bolts with it too, John?
Yeah, it came with bolts. Do you want me to unplug this one on the side too?
Yeah, just unplug that one.
Is it pushing?
Pull out. Maybe. Then we should just be able to unplug whatever the fuck it's in. But you know what? Fuck it. I'm not gonna bother. Just hold that there. How much bolt?
Yeah.
Because I need that extension. That's why. Good call, because I was gonna put these ones back in.
Those are extended.
Yeah, they're gonna be a little bit extended, and these are 10 millimeters, aren't they?
How much was this?
In total, 297.
Shit, they went down on price. It used to be just that for the filter. Or was that just for the filter?
The filter
How much was the
filter itself was 209.
How much was the extension?
The spacer?
Yeah.
The spacer was, I think, 80. Good job.
No. There we go. Alright, you can let go.
Alrighty. Alright guys, so the spacer's on. So what's next, mechanic Tim?
Spacer's not on yet.
Spacer's not on yet. Well, not full. Oh yeah, he hasn't put all the bolts in, but after we do that.
Prep.
I have a question. Why do we need a filter? Why can't we just
Prep.
straight?
Trying to raise me.
The
Doing a couple
filter
mods.
blocks out all the
He still ain't going
impurities,
with me.
dust that gets
So-
kicked up, dirt,
Cause
rocks.
my shit
Couple
too
bolt-ons.
too fast. Nah, but I gotta race you on the highway though.
My car only goes to 120.
My car goes to like 145.
Yeah, so the faster we go, you're probably gonna get it.
You guys just try not to rev the engines right now. Okay?
Yeah, no problem, Tim.
Pisses me off.
What?
As I said, I've never done it. Put it on backwards.
You put the whole thing on backwards? Wait, how do you know?
See the gaps?
So how does it go on?
I just gotta flip it. See how there's this gap, but there's this gap over here? I just gotta flip it.
Alright, it's successfully on now. We had it on backwards before.
That's just it. I've never done this before. I've only saw YouTube videos, so I'm YouTube certified.
YouTube certified. Honestly, guys, YouTube is such a great tool. Like I feel like YouTube and Google are like the two things that you like use whenever you have a question about something.
Good?
Yeah.
Like right are dipped.
You don't need this anymore?
From here on out, it's really fucking simple. Is that a 10 millimeter? That's not a 10, that's an 8. It's an 8. Can you grab that 8 millimeter out of my toolbox right there?
Yes. And then first person angles.
Yeah, dude. I'm not really doing much except for the video recording because I don't know anything. This isn't my strong suit.
Just start building vapes.
Alright, that's Braden's strong suit.
Have you ever seen people try and
I
like?
almost tripped over this one.
Have you ever seen people like speed explaining their setups like for their drippers?
I've never heard that before.
Oh.
Hey Braden, so I'm thinking we sell this old intake to the highest bidder. I'll just say $1. I got $1 right now. What do you say, Braden? You bidding on it?
Nah. That's too much for me. Can't afford it. I work here.
Oh boy.
So fucking close. Come on. John, come here. Push where my fingers are. Just push forward.
It's gonna look so good when it's done.
Keep not too hard. Just leave it right there. There we go. There we go. That's disappointing, but I can still fit it.
It's humongous.
It is.
As it is.
Oh shit. That's what I was afraid of.
What's wrong with it?
Oh wait.
Explain the problem, Tim.
No, we're fine. I can take care of that.
So Tim put the clamp on the inside of the what is this, like a frame or something? Like,
Yeah.
The inside of it, but it was it was curved on here, so we just moved it closer this way and then put it on the outside.
It'll keep a better grip on it.
That's basically what's going down right now. See, every day I'm learning something new, John.
So do I.
Learning something new.
I've never done this. I was gonna do it for my Mustang, but I didn't get paid enough up north.
Hey, it happens. Oh boy. It's looking good, John. Bet you it's gonna sound and feel even better. Dude, John is excited, right? He's not showing it, but I can just tell. I look like I've never seen you smile this much.
Look at that face.
Listen, John. Okay, the UPS guy came to the house, and this man sprinted. He sleeps on the top bunk, and he almost jumped off onto the floor. I'm surprised you took the freaking stairs down. Freaking leap.
It was the air mattress under. Otherwise, I would have.
Yeah, but soft landing.
Yeah, but you don't. Well, it's deflated. You don't know what's under there.
That's true. Now Timothy's just checking all the bolts.
Oh, that's disappointing. I can barely get that one.
Now, is this supposed to go on top of here? So this doesn't hit this?
Oh, that's what that's for. Good call, good call. We just got this cushiony thing on. It's pretty nice and soft. You know, pretty cushiony, yeah, that's a good way to say it. Uh-oh. Are we good, Tim?
I gotta make sure it fucking closes.
Oh yeah, true, that is another.
Oh, shit. That's right. It's fucking Mustang.
Alright.
Yeah. Open up the hood. Start her up while you're at it.
This kind needs baby blue paint.
Start her up. See if any lights come on.
Any lights?
Yeah, just in case the sensors.
Oh.
You're done.
Oh, yeah.
My car has never popped like that before.
Was the O2 sensor light on or no?
It's been on.
Oh, okay.
Be careful when you get on the throttle, though. It will go forward now.
And I can definitely hear a whistle.
Is that the old parts here? John's got the filter, and I guess we're just taking it to the garbage. We're not even gonna walk all the way to the dumpster, to be honest. It's not even worth it. If it does it even fit in here? Dude, we're gonna go take out park trash next Sunday and be like, what is all this? And then I'm gonna be like, oh. Yeah, open the big thing up. Do you know, John, the bag's gonna rip now. We're gonna freaking take it out on
I
Sunday.
can never open this, bro. Oh, my groin. I can't open this.
Okay, we'll goodbye. Aww.
Got it. Hey guys, it's been about a day since the installation. John, how you feeling about it? It's pretty good. I really recommend it. It's a BBK cold air intake. I'm satisfied. Yeah, by the way, I want to apologize for recording that video vertical. All of our videos will be recorded horizontal from now on, so it'll look better on the screen. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm Dom. I'm John. This is Benjik signing off.